Hi, this is Stan on the Mobile SDK team, and I wanted to share an update to the STSOData template application that's publicly available on github.com under the Apache v2 license. The STSOData template application really has two parts. The first is a set of framework classes that interact with the main SAP Mobile SDK APIs and provide a pretty high-level MVC framework for building your application. It's reusable, portable amongst applications, totally generic. And the rest of the application is the actual UI and navigation logic of the application, and it interacts with the framework components. So it's very easy to clone the application, take a look at it, see how it actually functions, and then take a look at the reusable MVC classes and see if they can be reused in your application. So, function-wise, the application in the first version had a read and create functionality on an OData service. This is totally online. The use case was invoking a function import and getting back a set of OData entities, and then calling a create operation, similarly as an end user would when booking a flight. So very simply, I've pre-selected some airports, New York to Frankfurt, and some dates, basic preferences. And we can go ahead and search flights and get back a list. And you'll see they're a little bit sparsely populated just because of the sample data, but select something that's in the future. Today's the 5th, so we'll grab the 8th. And a return flight. And this is real standard stuff. You get kind of a review itinerary. Go ahead and confirm and get a success. So the new functionality is actually a update feature, and this is enabled for offline as well. Today I'll show it being used in online mode, but within the application it's very straightforward to enable this for being offline just by uncommenting a line in the app delegate where we specify a particular collection, in this case the travel agency collection, as within the set of defining requests. So there's a lot of documentation, and I've blogged about how to use defining requests, etc. So please check out this blog entry and some on SCM. But we will comment that out for now. We'll just do it in online mode. But we'll do a query, we'll get a long set of travel agencies, and we'll grab one, and let's say we'll change the telephone number and release the breakpoint. There we go. And let's see. I'm in a strange, there we go, keyboard only mode. But we'll go ahead and we'll change a couple numbers on the phone number and save it, and it's been updated. And if we then refresh the UI, we'll see that the service has relayed that. So very simple, but good to be able to edit the objects. And again, once this is running in offline mode, so if you have an SMP set up, please go ahead and specify whatever collections you want within your set of defining requests, and the mobile database will automatically be created, populated, and then your queries and update, delete operations will be executed against the database and synced to the backend. So thanks a lot for checking it out. Please go ahead and provide any comments at @sstadelman on Twitter. Thank you.